Lily, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? My fingers are inside her, like, the creases of her paws. Not care. She looks like she gives two craps. Just dog does not care. No matter what I do, she just doesn't care. Ndet. Puppy. Ndet. Hello. Puppy. Notice me. Ndet. Ndet. Puppy. Pup. 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 Ndet. 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 Hello? This dog is honestly so weird. I swear she's not dead. This is breathing. But she couldn't care less about me right now. Watch. Watch just what happens when I burp, 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 boop, 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 boop. She looks so annoyed. She's like, what's your problem? What can I do that will annoy this dog? She left and came right back. It's because my mom's watching anime. She's like, nope. Doop. Doop. Nope. Doop. 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 Ninja. Puppy. What's your problem? Why so tense? Boop. 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 Oh, smile. Yeah, this dog does not care. Just watch the lever. Now she sees that I have a bowl and just freaking. Is this dog okay? I know, we're tired, puppy. Yeah, puppy. Oh, goodbye, puppy.